Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how you can claim your website in Pinterest. This is my Pinterest account. Here you can see I have so far 111 followers and monthly views 1008k monthly views, and this is my YouTube channel you are watching right now, and I want to change this link. Okay, and this is my website. I am working on it and I will input the URL into this place. I will show you the step-by-step process how you can do this. So before jump into the video, I will update my profile picture. So how we can change it, just go to edit profile, and here you can see the photo section. So click on change, choose photo, and I have already my company photo, that's my powerful tutorials, and let's select this, and it will take some seconds, I think so I think it will updated powerful tutorials. So this is our main logo admin. Here you can see. So let's go back to powerful tutorials. Perfect. So mainly this is our company logo, powerful tutorials. So we have another YouTube channel, powerful tutorials, and this is the page, and this is the Pinterest account. So let's jump into our main topic. So how we can change the URL and how we can claim our website. So let's click on edit profile. You scroll down and here you can see the website section. Okay, so let's copy our website URL powerfultutorials.com and paste it here. Alright, and let's save it. Okay, click on save. So go back to our profile section, and here you can see our website URL and YouTube URL has been changed. So this is how we can change our URL. So this is how you can add your website link into your Pinterest account, and it's really supportive and helpful if you want to grow your Pinterest account. So I think this video gonna help you who wants to grow your Pinterest account or your Pinterest business account, and it's all about the professional Pinterest account. So why I'm telling professional, because we have website, we have YouTube channel, we have Facebook page, we have Pinterest all set up. So this is how we can grow your small business. And if you have any queries about how you can grow Pinterest account and how you can do affiliate marketing through Pinterest, so comment below. I will try to my best to give you my best tutorials. So I will try my best to give you the best tutorials how you can grow your Pinterest account, not only Pinterest account, all social media account. Okay, so no more today. I will come back with another tutorial. So stay tuned. Have a good day. Tata, bye bye.